even before the dust settles on the Law Society of Kenya election outcome. The learned friends appear to be divided over the manner in which the polls were conducted, with the role of the Independent Electoral Boundaries Commission IEBC taking the spotlight. Speaking to KBC on phone, lawyers Ndegwa Njiru and Duncan Okach differed over the legality of IEBC overseeing the poll without commissioners in place.
The exercise was unconstitutional. It never met the constitutional threshold. It was conducted by strangers. The individuals who conducted the elections are not IEBC. They were individuals from the Secretariat, and there's a clear distinction between the Commission and the Secretariat. So you cannot then come and impugn or challenge these elections just based on that, because the IEBC was not conducting a constitutional mandate per se. This is a private entity.
Lawyer Njiru, who is set to move to court, argues that IEBC Secretariat, led by the CEO Hussein Marjan, lacked the jurisdiction to authorize IEBC to conduct an election. A position dismissed by lawyer Okaj, who is of the view that LSK is a private entity at liberty to procure the services of any entity to oversee the polls.
They do not contract IEBC based on the constitutional provision or mandate that is in the Constitution. You contract IEBC in a private capacity, such that it is for you as an entity to be okay and certain that the services that are going to be delivered by IEBC will be proper, will be neutral, will be transparent. The Secretariat cannot take the mandate of the IEBC. It cannot even purport to be the IEBC. So the only person who has mandate as per the rules of the LSK to initiate those elections is the Commission as contemplated the IEBC rules and regulations.
Additionally, he argues for Njiru's argument to hold water in court, he must be able to prove legally that there was foul play in the process or outcome of the poll.
I have instructions to go and challenge the constitutionality of those elections. We have to go and ask whether the Secretariat can take the position and the place of the IEBC, and what is the constitutional propriety and constitutional integrity of those elections. And in terms of challenging the role that IEBC did, the only thing someone should ask himself mainly, did it reflect the will of the people? Was there any interference? Was it not transparent? Those are the things you can use to impugn an election, even if conducted in this manner.
This comes days after lawyer Yashim Butende moved to court to challenge the recruitment of IEBC to oversee the poll. Magistrate Lawrence Mugambi certified the petition as urgent but declined to postpone the elections, instead setting Monday the 12th of March as the date in which the case will be heard. Lawyer Faith Monio Thiambo is the president-elect of LSK following the polls. She floored 4 other candidates after garnering 2,116 votes in the 14 polling stations situated at the Milimani and Supreme Court buildings. The validity of her win now awaits the formal announcement by IEBC after the court ruling. If okayed, she will become the second female in history and the 51st individual to serve at the helm of the lawyer's body. Abdiaziz Hashim for Legends Edition.